Let's simplify this math problem here. We have 2 to the power of 22 times 3 to the power of 33. So let's simplify from here. We can express 2 to the power of 22 as 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 11, then multiplied by 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 11. So this is in the form of a to the power of n multiplied by m, which we can express as a to the power of n raised to the power of m. So applying this property, we have 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 11, then multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of 11. 2 to the power of 2, this is 4 raised to the power of 11, then times 3. 3 raised to the power of 3, this is 27 raised to the power of 11. We have that 4 to the power of 11 times 27 to the power of 11. This is in the form of a to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m. This can be expressed as a times b raised to the power of m. Applying this identity, then we have 4 multiplied by 27 raised to the power of 11. So we have 27 multiplied by 4. 7 times 4, this is 28. 8 carry 2 here. 4 times 2, this is 8 plus 2, this is 10. So this is 108. So we have 108 raised to the power of 11. And this is the simplified form of this math problem. Thank you for watching.